In today's lesson, we are going to provide a solution to this particular question on sum of GP. Remember that my last video is based on how to find the formula of sum of GP when I consider two formulas for that, when r is less than 1 and also when r is greater than 1. So we are going to be putting that into practice here today. Okay? We are given the question as find the sum of the first four terms of a GP. Now, in this case, your n is going to be equals to 4 because we are asked to find the sum of the first four terms. It has been stated here. So n is equals to 4. Whose first term? First term symbol in GP is simply a is equals to 5. Are we together? And the common ratio is equals to 1 over 2, which is r equals to 1 over 2. Okay? Now the next thing we need to do here is that, like I said before, we have two formulas for finding sum of GP. We have the one of r less than 1 and the other one as what? R greater than 1. If you observe this common ratio clearly, it's simply stating that if r is equals to 1 over 2, it's same thing as saying 0.5. And 0.5 is simply less than what? 1. So we are going to use this formula Sn equals to a into bracket 1 minus r raised to power n all over 1 minus r, because the r there is less than what? 1. Okay? So if I replace all these parameters back into this formula, I'm going to have S4 equals to, then my a, which is representing 5 here, 5 into brackets 1 minus r, which is what? 1 over 2, all raised to power 4, close the bracket, all over 1 minus, then my r again is simply what? 1 over 2. Are we following? So from there, we can simply simplify this one here. So I'm going to be having S4 equals to 5 into bracket 1 minus, then 1 raised to power 4 is simply 1, all over 2 raised to power 4 is simply 16, all in bracket, all over 1 minus half we give half. Are we following? Okay. So what we do next is S4 equals to 5 into bracket, by looking for the LCM here, we are still going to have, okay, 16 minus 1 all over 16 all over half. Are we together? So if I simplify this, I'll have my S4 to be equals to 5 multiplied by 15 all over 16 divided by half. So remember that in fraction, this division simply changes to times. And then what I want to do, this is going to change to what? Going to change form. That is, this is going to be the numerator and this is going to be what? The denominator. We are going to change this 1 over 2 to 2 over 1. So we are going to have, we are having 5 times 15 over 16 multiplied by 2 over 1. So I can simply say 2 here 1, 2 here 8. So 5 times 15 times 1 will give 75. Then 8 times 1 will give what? 8. So this is my final answer to this question. And that is sum of the first four terms pertaining to this question. So guys, this is what I have for today. Please, kindly like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel if you haven't done that, and if you have any comments on this, if you have any question on this, kindly drop it in the comment section. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.